Hey everyone, today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how to use the Q-Solver tool on the asksia.ai website. So once you're on this home screen, if you look, there's a far left tab with each of the tools that you can use on the asksia website. For the sake of this video, we're going to be using the Q-Solver. So once you get to the Q-Solver page, it'll prompt you to, that'll help you solve your problems, provide explanations are easy to understand. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to ask you a math problem. I'm going to say, help me find the derivative of f of x equals 4x to the second power plus 8x plus 8. So that my question is all typed in, I'm going to go down to the bottom right here and submit my question. At this point, C will begin working on the solution, provide you with step-by-step how to completely solve each question. C will also draw you an image to help you better understand and visualize kind of each step that it gives you. So as we're waiting for the image to generate, let's go through each of the steps that it helped create for the question I submitted. It looks like our image is now done. You can take a look here. It shows you the drawn out graph on how to solve each of these steps, but visualized into a picture. We can now take this a step further by going up to the top left side of the screen where it says Super. Click on the Super tab and go down to Asksia Plus. Here you will see the standard question mode, but you'll also see a quiz mode. We're going to click on the quiz mode here, and we're going to go down to the question box, and we're going to ask Sia to write me a practice quiz to help me better understand how to solve for derivatives. I'm going to submit my question, and Sia's going to generate a 5-question quiz. I'll click through all of the answers here. As you can see, it gives a variety of different questions. And once you're done with the quiz, it will show you which answers you got right, which answers you got wrong. It'll show you your overall grade at the top. If you want to hit back to the study chat, any of the questions that you got wrong, you can plug right back into the standard. Type any of those questions, and it'll give you the step-by-step of each of those questions as well to help you better study and go back and take another quiz to see if you get those questions right.